Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? I think you all are very good. So today we are going to discuss about the topic name is article. So you might be confused what is article. Okay, so let me explain all the things very clearly. So here first of all we discuss what is the definition of article. Okay, an article is a word used to make something clear or define in a sentence. दैट मीन्स आर्टिकल वो वर्ड होता है जिसके यूज़ से सेंटेंस डेफिनेट और क्लियर हो जाता है. ओके, सो लाइक सेंटेंस हमें प्रॉपरली समझ में आता है. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टिकल. So there are three types of article: a, an, and the. A and n are indefinite article, which is not definite. Okay, and the is the definite article, like which is a fix. Okay, a and the is indefinite, which is not fixed. So this type article is bifurcated into two parts. Okay, so now we are moving towards definite article, the. So, what is the definition of definite article? The definite article used to speak about the noun that is already known, heard and identified. Okay, वो noun के बारे में बात करता है definite article जो पहले से हमें known है या identified है. Okay, so in the image you can see a ball which is placed on the grass. Okay, एक ball है जो grass के ऊपर है, तो the ball is on the grass. Okay, so here the is used two times, before ball and before grass. So we know that ball and grass both are noun. So what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing. Okay, so both are noun. Before it the is placed, so it is a definite article. Okay, you must be crystal clear, I think. So now we will move next one. So here indefinite article. So you know about indefinite article are of two types, like a and n, both are indefinite article. A और n दोनों indefinite article होते हैं. Okay, so now first we are talk about a, article a. A is used before all word starting with consonant. Okay, I think you might be known about consonant or vowel or not. So let me explain here. So there is a 26 letter in English alphabet. Okay, A to Z. Okay, so here 5 is vowel and other than 5 is consonant. Okay, total is 26. So 21 is consonant and 5 is vowel. So what is vowel? Like A, E, I, O, U is vowel. Okay. Other than these five letter A, E, I, O, U, all are consonant like B, C. So here, like A is used before word starting with consonant. Okay, so here you can see the image of book. Why A is placed before book? Because book spelling start with B, which is consonant. Okay, so we have to put A before book. एक बुक के पहले हमको ए लगाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो आई थिंक इट मस्ट बी क्लियर टू ऑल गाइज. Okay, like there is an image of car, so before car a is placed. Okay, why? Because car spelling start with consonant word c. Okay, so all the consonant starting word placed a before it. Okay, like a bottle, a glass. There are also a few example of indefinite article a. Okay, now we move next indefinite article an. Okay, an is used before all word starting with a vowel. So before it I will explain you what is vowel and what is consonant. Okay, so vowel is a, e, I, o, u. Okay, जिस भी वर्ड में स्टार्टिंग लेटर वोवल होता है उसके पहले एन पुट करते हैं. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी टू टाइप ऑफ इमेजेस. ए गर्ल इज पिक्ड अम्ब्रेला, तो शी हैज़ अन अम्ब्रेला. सो अम्ब्रेला स्पेलिंग स्टार्टेड विद यू. ओके, so u is a vowel. Okay, before it we put n. Same as the concert was over an hour ago. Okay, so here I think you might have think, ma'am, like R spelling start with H, but when you are pronunciate R, it is like a sound is coming. So sound is coming between a e i o u, like vowel sound आ रहा है, that's why R के पहले n यूज़ करते हैं. Okay, this is the case. We may take some more example. An egg, an ice cream. Okay, so before spelling started with vowel, so we put n. So now we are talking. I think your topic is crystal clear. So now we are moving the next topic, which is name is adjective. Adjective मतलब होता है क्वालिटी बताना. एन एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब नाउन और प्रोनाउन. नाउन और प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है एडजेक्टिव. ओके, इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी ही इज़ अ फैट मैन. सो मैन की क्वालिटी बता रहा है फैट. सो जो क्वालिटी बताता है वही एडजेक्टिव होता है. ठीक है. इन नेक्स्ट इमेज देयर इज़ अ ट्री. सो इट इज़ अ टॉल ट्री. टॉल वाई वी से बिकॉज इट इज़ अ टॉल, वह लंबा पेड़ है. सो पेड़ की क्वालिटी बता रहा है टॉल वर्ड. ओके, सो इस टॉपिक के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आज का वर्क आपका यह रहेगा, लाइक आप किसी भी बुक को रीड करते हो, सो उसको कॉन्शियसली रीड करिएगा और देखिएगा कि ए एन द का यूज़ कैसे हो रहा है. इफ़ यू लाइक माई teaching method, so do hit like, share and subscribe button. Share with your friends and family members. Thank you for giving me such a precious times of yours. Thank you. अगर आप चाहते हैं इसी तरह वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट मैं लाती रहूँ, so please do comment in the comment section which topic do you want and which subject.